This is the BOYA Magic. It's a wireless microphone for your camera that can transform from a wireless lavalier to a handheld mic, desktop mic, or to an on-camera mic. So yeah, this is the BOYA Magic, and everything you hear in this video will be from this mic in one form or another, without any post-production other than some gain adjustments. Their tag for this microphone is one mic, four forms, and yeah, I guess technically it is. One of them is a bit of a reach for me, but we'll talk about that when we get to it. But yeah, let's take a closer look at the BOYA Magic. So in the basic bundle, you get the charging case with two transmitters and the Type-C receiver. The receiver is pretty neat because it attaches to the bottom of the charging case when you're not using it. It also comes with a foam windscreen and a furry windscreen for the case, and windshields for each transmitter. It also comes with a storage bag, which I don't have here because I have a different package, but here it is on the screen. Each transmitter weighs only 7 grams, and they're super tiny at just 35mm by 15.2mm by 13mm. The transmitters have a built-in clip so you can attach it to your shirt, but it also has a small magnet so you can attach it that way as well. The charging case by itself is 141.3mm long, 26.5mm wide, and 21mm thick. It weighs 62.5 grams. This is a 48 kHz 24-bit microphone. It has an 80 decibel signal-to-noise ratio, a dynamic range of up to 144 decibels, and a frequency response from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. It features true AI noise cancellation through an AI chip that they say has been trained on over 700,000 real-world noise samples. It's made to identify and suppress up to 40 decibels of background interference while preserving vocal clarity. There are two levels of noise cancellation, strong mode and light mode. Strong mode cuts up to 40 decibels for loud noises like waves or car horns, while light mode reduces 15 decibels of white noise. So let's head out real quick and test it out. Alright, doing a quick noise cancellation test. My drone's over here, it should be loud and noisy. Let's turn the noise cancellation on strong mode. It should sound better. I'm hoping it sounds better. I'm hoping it's on. Is this on? It's on. Strong mode. Alright, let's turn it back off. Alright, noise cancellation's off. Drone's really close to my face. How's it sound? Oh man, hopefully it works. The BOYA Magic uses a smart limiter to prevent distortion from sudden loud noises. This mic also features a -12 decibel safety track that you can turn on to prevent clipping. Each transmitter has a battery life of up to 6 hours on a single charge. The charging case has a 500 mAh battery capacity and can extend the total battery life to 30 hours, so you can film all day with this thing. It has a 100-meter range, so let's head back outside and test it. Alright, hopefully I got this mic set up right. Gonna do a quick range test. Let's just get started. 300, no, it's not 300 meters, 100 meters. I don't think it's 100 meters. I really don't know how far 100 meters is, but let's just test this anyway, see how far we go until this microphone breaks up. And let's just walk this way. I probably am losing connection with the mic and the transmitter and the receiver because my body is blocking everything, but I'm not sure. I guess we'll find out when I get back in and do this on but I'm just gonna keep turn around and hopefully my drone follows me back because I don't want to walk back over here for it. But either way, I'm thinking that if it broke up when I was walking out this way, it should be all right and connected again walking back towards my phone, or my phone camera, whatever, same thing. All right, drone's following me still. I can hear it behind me. And how's the noise canceling actually? Is there a difference? Can I turn that on real quick? Here. All right, noise canceling is on. Can you still hear the drone? And where are we at now? Back of the camera, back of my phone. And let's, want to go. There's too many bugs here. Thank you, buddy. How'd it sound? Did I get it far out there? All right. If you're using the BOYA Magic with your phone, there's a BOYA Central App so you can fine-tune the settings of the mic, including choosing the noise cancellation level, turning on or off the safety track, and choosing mono or stereo mode. In the app, you can also fine-tune your audio by adjusting a mic's EQ, including custom presets for your specific voice. So like I was saying, this mic takes on 4 forms. I'm using it here as a lavalier and it works really well like this. I really love how small these transmitters are. Now let's get it back in the case and get the windscreen on there. And here's how it sounds as an interview mic. I think it works really well this way too. You do get some handling noises when I'm switching hands with it, but it's not too bad. It does have a small grip though, and my hands aren't that big. And once you take the receiver out, it gets even smaller. It's doable though. Now let's go ahead and mount this onto the stand. And now we have a nice desktop setup. This is going to be good for podcasts, conferences, recording vocals, things like that. This is pretty much like the handheld setup, but just on a stand so you don't get that handling noise. Alright, let's go ahead and set this up on the camera. Okay, if you remember in the beginning, I was saying that one of these forms is kind of a stretch for me. It's this one. Now, to be fair, they don't call it a shotgun microphone. They say it's an on-camera mic, which I guess it is. I think this setup works best if you're vlogging, so let me switch cameras real quick. If you're vlogging and hand-holding, I think that's where this mic works best. But as a shotgun mic to capture some ambient sounds outside, yeah, this might not be the best setup for that. Alright, let me switch this mic setup. So there are different packages for this mic depending on your needs. I have the Magic bundle here that includes everything that I just talked about, including a few more accessories. In the Magic bundle that I have, you get that desktop stand. You can take the tripod legs off of it and it becomes a mount to attach to your cold shoe. This has a cold shoe on the mount itself, because when you mount this to your camera, you'll be taking up the hot shoe, and unless you have a cage, you won't have anywhere to mount the receiver. So this is a really thought out mount. Along with the USB-C receiver that it comes with, you also get a lightning port receiver. Most people probably won't need this, but it's nice for those who do still use lightning ports. This receiver also just slots into the bottom of the charging case, just like the Type-C receiver. In this bundle, you'll also get a receiver for your camera that uses a 3.5mm cable. It comes with one in case you were wondering. And finally, in the Magic bundle, instead of the storage bag, you get this nice storage pouch instead. This pouch can hold all the accessories in it. Now I do wish that it still came with a storage bag because sometimes all I want to carry is this stick, so it would have been nice to still have a way to keep it protected. It's not a big deal though because I can easily find something around the house to toss it in. Anyways, if you're interested in this mic, I'll have all the links that you need in the description. I don't think I have a promo code, but if I do, I'll post it here. And if I don't have a promo code, something else will be here. Alright, I need to figure out how far 100 meters is. It's really bugging me. See ya.